So you're welcome. Welcome to my class. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is trigonometry. I will be solving for B. So first of all, let's label the sides. The line opposite the right angle is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. The line opposite the right angle is the hypotenuse. Now the line opposite the angle, this angle is opposite. While the line carrying the right angle and the angle is the adjacent. So it's good you know this, because once you know this, it's easy to solve for whatever you want to solve for. So since we know this, let's write our so ka wa. What are we asked to find? We're asked to find x. We're asked to find x. So what do we do? What should we use? Since we're asked to find x, it means we have to use what? We have to use sine. Why did I say sine? Because we'll be solving with opposite over hypotenuse. We have this and we have this. So it's easy to solve with what you know. Since we don't have any angle, except for the fact that we know that this is 90. So we'll be using these two, opposite and hypotenuse. And opposite and hypotenuse says use sine. So sine x is equal to opposite is 6 over hypotenuse is 18. Now what do? We want s to stand alone. We want s to stand alone. And for s to stand alone, what do? It means this sign. Don't forget that when we're solving our algebra, when we have plus 3 here, when it crosses the equal to sign to the other side, it becomes minus 3, no longer plus 3. So the same way, when you take this sign the other way, it becomes sine inverse. Sine inverse. That's the only way this s can stand on its own. So this one crossing over, it becomes sine inverse. And this is how sine inverse is over 6 over 18. Sine inverse. So when you've done it this way, use your calculator to solve for sine inverse. In case you're not familiar with using your calculator to solve it this way, it's simply just look here, see how I do mine, so you'll be able to do yours. So sine inverse, when you click this, you come to your inverse, INV. Click on this. That way you have your sine inverse. And then when you click on your sine inverse, what are we doing? Sine inverse 6 divided by 18. So we go back to 6 divide 18. And that way we have an answer as what? 19.47 or 19.5. So the answer is simply 19.47. So 19.47. Since we have this, how do we get B? Don't forget we have to find B. B is actually what we're looking for. So now, since we know C is what? 90, because it's a right angle, which is 90. 90 plus X, which is now 19.47. When we've added them together, we'll now say 180 minus this, or preferably 180 minus 90 minus X, which is 19.47. When we've done this, what do we have? We have 70.53. So B is 70.53. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.